Hi students, this is Nazir Hussain, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE. We are here with one more assembly language program, which is interfacing program for stepper motor interfacing. And we can do this program in two ways. We can rotate the stepper motor by right side, means clockwise, or anti-clockwise. In both ways we can do. The basic requirements are so we require a stepper motor interfacing kit here. So in the previous programs we did interfacing of DAC for generation of waveforms. Now we used to have a stepper motor interfacing kit, and which is going to be interfaced with this 8086 microprocessor trainer kit. Now let's try to understand the logic here. So this is the command. These are three commands are used for initializing 8255 in IO mode. First thing, move AL80, move DX, 0 FFE6, out DXL. After that, so this is the input for windings. So A, B, C, D, there are 4 windings available in a stepper motor. So 1000, 1000, 88 is the input which ignites all the windings individually without having any delay. Means continuously one of the winding will be in conduction state. So we are giving this input to the port address 0FFE0 out DXL. Now after giving this input, I am giving some delay. So as the stepper motor has to rotate in terms of steps, so how much delay it should take to rotate for the next step is given in delay. So move CX, 00FF, no operation, loop back. Now what I am doing here is rotate AL by 1. Means I am rotating this winding by 1. Means it rotates the stepper motor by 1 step, and it introduces this delay for some time. Again it goes for the next step. Again it introduces some delay. Now the direction of rotation can be given using this instruction ROL. L means left hand side, means anti-clockwise. ROR if you use, it goes into clockwise direction. Very simple program. Now let's just execute this program here. So it is already, the program is typed here in this memory location. So as the kit is already interfaced here, now this stepper motor doesn't have any motion now. Now after executing this, G space 6000, enter. Now you can see the stepper motor is getting rotated. Rotated in anti-clockwise direction. So this is how anti-clockwise rotation of a stepper motor is happening. Now how to rotate this clockwise? Just by changing one instruction in the program, which is by changing ROL to ROR. So by changing this ROL to ROR AL, 1. Now we are forcing this stepper motor to rotate clockwise. Let us see by executing this. Stepper motor is rotating in clockwise direction. Very simple logic and simple program. So this is how a stepper motor is going to be interfaced with 8086 microprocessor kit, and using this simple logic. Hope you understand. Share this among your friends for better understanding and maintenance in the lab.